WYWNA makes a wonderful camera, wonderful product. And I have two of these. One is already up outside trying to get some sun. And we're going to put the other one up on a pole and show you how they work. You're going to have to go as high as 10 feet, 120 degrees for 20 feet of radius that this will go on and off. It has a solar panel, a built-in battery, an on and off switch located right here. And for the first time, you're going to look at it and say, hey, that's a security camera. Did you know it's not real? But the people out there may not know. At nighttime, I don't know if this is going to show an infrared light. And if it does, that'd be amazing. So as we turn the power on and we cover the sensor, it should come on, and there is the light. Now it takes up to 2 days to fully charge this, so it can operate overnight. And it must get sun, because if this doesn't get sun in a number of days, we all know what happens. Now how do we install? They give you a number of screws, bolts, and anchors, and so forth. I simply am going to take this on the wall. I'm going to get this out of my way, and I'm going to pick a spot and just screw it in. And it's really that simple. Now I am going to go outside, and I am going to go hang this up. Now I am going to adjust this, and I'm going to take the supplied Allen key that they give you. It's got a nice little one on the side, so you can get here on this particular one to tighten it up. And that is about all. So this way, it allows you to loosen it up. It allows you to get to the actual screws and screw them in. So let's go hook one up on a pole and set it up for you. The sun goes this way, so I get the afternoon sun. This should do just fine. I go up nice and tall, nice and high. I now adjust my solar panel, and on the side there is a Phillips screw. You loosen up the Phillips screw. It allows you to tilt the head, and it allows me to adjust the angle I want. There is a screw right here. I loosen it, and I adjust my angle. The sun is hitting it, and I am shining just the way I want. Now we have security right over here, and we allow the sun to charge it for 2 full days. Then you go and turn it on, and off you go. We'll do a test and show you how nicely this will light up the area, and that will always go on and off with the traffic over here. So let's get that night shot and wrap this bad boy up. Don't forget to take your sticker and put it on your window. WYNY camera floodlight. It lights up the area, works just fine, does exactly what it's supposed to do. It works in the front yard as well as over the second story, grabbing the sun as we speak. So when there is traffic or people coming at nighttime, this product does the job just fine. Let me just point out that camera for you. Notice it getting the sun during the daytime and aimed just right. I'm only going to be demonstrating the pole light as we walk towards it. You can see the one behind me lit up. As we get real close and underneath it, where we're in the beam, here we go. It lights up, lights the area, and it will stay lit for a number of seconds and then dim down. That is the solar security light. It does its job lighting up. At nighttime, it does a great job indeed. I hope you enjoy this product. I hope you're looking for floodlights, solar panel types of this product of WYNY may be right for you. I want to thank the company for allowing me to test and review the unit.